How to make your course available. Instructors have the option of opening up their course up to 1 week prior to the official start date. However, they cannot require any type of work be done prior to the official start date. To open up your course for the students, log into Moodle and click on one of the courses that you wish to make available. From here, you'll go to Settings. Scroll down to Course Visibility, change from Hide to Show. Scroll to the very bottom, Save and Display. This course is now available to students. A quick way to tell if a course is available or not available to students is by the color of the My Courses or home screen. If it is the light blue and looks like a normal URL link, it's available to students. If it is this gray color, that is not available to students, but as the instructor, you'll still be able to access it.